Hi, welcome to Nila's Tamil Cholai. Today we are going to see about 12th English. Unit 1, Prose. Two Gentlemen of Verona. Two Gentlemen of Verona. Written by A.G. Cronin. A.G. Cronin. A.G. Cronin was a Scottish novelist, dramatist, and a physician. By career, he was a physician. All his novels emerged from his physician career. As a doctor, he had experienced many persons. All these characters were in his novels. His novels were bestsellers. His novel, The Citadel and the Keys of the Kingdoms, was taken as a film, and most of his novels were taken as the radio and television serials. And now, recently also, his novels, The Country Doctor, was adapted for a long-running BBC radio and TV serial. This story describes about the devotion, sacrifice, sincerity, love, and maturity displayed by the two little boys in their actions to save the life of their beloved sister who suffers from tuberculosis of the spine. Let us see briefly in this video. The author A.G. Cronin was traveling to Verona. On the way, the author narrates the story himself. So, he says himself to the students. As we drove through the foothills of the Alps, two small boys stopped on their way on the outskirts of Verona. They were selling wild berries. Don't buy, shouted Luigi, the driver. Luigi was the driver of the author A.G. Luigi shouts not to buy. It's better to buy good fruits inside the city Verona. But the author was attracted by the boys who were carrying the large baskets. One was wearing jersey with their black skins. They were trying to attract the author to buy the wild berries. The author saw the boy and called him near. The boy was very interested and keen in selling his fruits. He asked his name and knew that they two were brothers. Jacopo was 12 years old and Niccolo, the elder brother, was 13 years old. They were wearing dirty dress and they were shabby to see. They were carrying large basket, more than their weight. The author asked him where they would sell and what are the works they do. At the time the boy says, we are not only selling fruits but we have lot of other business too. So he was very interested and frequently the author started to watch the boys and often they met the boys. These two boys were very helpful to the author to find good lodges for staying and boardings and also to know about the names of good villas, food materials and also a boy to help him to buy cigarettes for him. The boys found helpful. One day the two boys at midnight they were sitting on the street. The author was very interested and keen and he went near them and asked why they were waiting. They told that they are waiting for the last bus and the papers were unsold. If the last bus comes, they will sell the newspaper, they told. So A.G. Cronin was very interested. And the next day, the boy told that we are all taking to tourist. We are also working as a tourist guides, and they took everyone to see the buildings. A.G. Cronin also called them. Can you also take me to that buildings? So the boy took him, and he explained everything, the way routes and every necessary things needed by the author. The author was more interested, and one day the author asked, I am going to leave this city and I am going to my native place. Is there anything to help you, children? The boys, Niccolo told, no. He just took up his shoulder and put his hands and told, no, sir. But Jacopo, instead of Jacopo, Niccolo told that, sir, can you help me? We are going to the foothill sides of Polito. Can you help us? All the Sundays we will go and visit the city. We will go to that city by driving through bicycle. Today you are asking us, so can you help us and take us in your vehicle? A.G. Cronin took them to Polita, the city. They traveled through the hillsides and they saw the good red villa. He was very surprised, which was surrounded by a stone compound wall. And the boys asked the author, please, we will spend only an hour, sir. If you want, you please go to the inn and have a drink. We will return soon within an hour. The author was very interested and very curious to know about why the boys are entering in. So when the boys went inside, he also went inside that villa and started ringing the bell. And a woman of silver lining spectacle opened the door. He also inquired to that lady, I left 2 boys. Can I know them? Yes, they are Lucia's sisters. Lucia's sisters' brothers. They were taking care of her. She was suffering from tuberculosis. They were once, their father was a good singer. Once their father died in the war, and they participated in that war, and they were left to starvation. Many days they starved for food. They lost their house, and the boys and their sister were thrown into streets. Their sister Lucia suffered from tuberculosis of spine, and they were taking care of her. They asked the 2 boys, we are very much wondering, surprising about the boys' sincerity and love and devotion for their sister. The 2 boys, I don't know what work they are doing, but they are paying the hospital money and medical care for their sister regularly. Every Sunday they will commit the payments. Till past 2 years they are spending the same money. We are very much respectful to that boys. The nurse explained all those secrets of the boys. A.G. Cronin was very much surprised. At the time he thought back. Once a time he asked about their dress. You are earning a lot. Why haven't you showing much interest on your dress? Are you planning to escape to states? They asked. Sometimes we are very eager to escape from this Germans, sir. We are very much irritated. We are hating the Germans. The boy explained, but we are having some other plans, sir. He really thought of what are the plans, but the boy didn't say any secret about them, but he disclosed Jacopo. So the author thought about why the boy has not disclosed all those secrets, how they are matured, and how they are loyal and sincere to take care of their sister. He came out without making any noise. When the boys came out, the author didn't ask anything about their secrets, and they both traveled, and the author took the boys and left them in Verona. From this story, we know how the two boys are sacrificing for their sister, showing their love and devotion for their sister, and how matured and sincere to care of their sister. Now there is the nurse explains. Now there is progress in Lucia. Soon they will recover and they will have a better life. Okay? Thank you.